In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download stems in Producer.ai. First, open the Producer AI website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you continue, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to access the song you want to work with. Next, open your song. To do that, head to your library or projects section, depending on where your track is stored. Browse through your available songs and select the one you want to download stems from. This is the track you'll be separating into individual audio parts, so take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct project before moving on. After that, you'll need to access the download menu for the song. On the song page, look for a button labeled Download, Export, or sometimes a More menu shown as 3 dots. The exact button can vary slightly depending on the page layout, but it should be connected to File Export options. Once you open that menu, look for an option called Stems or Stem Split. This is the feature that allows Producer AI to separate your song into individual tracks, which can be useful if you want more control during mixing, editing, or remixing. When you find that option, select Download Stems. At this point, Producer AI will begin processing the audio and splitting it into separate stem files. Keep in mind that this can take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. The processing time usually depends on the length of your song, so shorter tracks may finish faster, while longer ones can take a bit more time. Once the processing is complete, you'll be able to download the generated stem files. Go ahead and save those files to your computer in a folder where you can easily find them later. Staying organized here is helpful, especially if you plan to work with multiple versions or edits. Finally, import the downloaded stems into your preferred DAW for further editing. This could be Ableton Live, FL Studio, Logic Pro, or Pro Tools, depending on your workflow. From there, you can adjust levels, add effects, remix elements, or fine-tune the track with much more flexibility than you'd have with a single audio file. That's how to download stems in Producer AI from start to finish. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have your separated tracks ready to use in just a few minutes.